What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. In this video, I am going to be exposing the exact approach that I took to make thousands of dollars per day from meme coins without ever taking a single trade. Now, a lot of you guys watching this video are probably stuck trading meme coins and just losing over and over again, and I completely understand that frustration, bro. Me, myself, I was a meme coin trader, and the reason why I switched to deving is because it's not profitable. The truth is that if you want to make actual real money without risking anything, you have to be launching the coins instead of trading them. And that's why I am making this video. I will show you exactly how to create a viral coin that actually goes viral on Solana. I will show you the entire method with no gatekeeping. If you're tired of losing money over and over again, or you don't know how to start, well, this video is for you. I will show you everything that comes with deving live right now. And guys, just to let you know, I do not sell a course or anything, okay? I am just making this video to show you how to make meme coins my way with my strategy. I've genuinely made all this money in my wallet from creating coins, so I do know what I'm doing and what I'm talking about. Let's go. Now, here's the truth about the meme coin trenches in 2026. If you are a trader, you are going to realize that most of the time these meme coins, when they are created, they end up going to zero right after a couple minutes of the launch. And this happens because the dev is dumping on everyone and he is profiting thousands of dollars on all the traders. If you are a trader, okay, most of the time you will become exit liquidity. You are going to buy somewhere here, or here and still lose money because the dev dumped on you. And the truth is that it's unpredictable, okay? It's a 50-50 chance if you are a trader. So that's why you have to stop buying these coins and you have to start creating them. By being the dev, you are going to be the one in control of the chart. You are going to be making the money on top of everyone, which means you are going to be profiting from your supply and from the creator fees. You can just launch a coin, wait for buyers, and then sell on everyone, and then do that over and over again on each launch. Yes, this method is repeatable, bro. Even if no one buys your coin, you can still move on to the next one and try again later. Okay, now in this video I will show you exactly how to create a coin that actually goes viral and how to have an edge over every single other dev, bro, when it comes to creating these coins. I will even do a live dev live to show you how it's done right now. And by the way guys, yes, I do make money from deving, but before the FBI kicks down my door, I just want to be clear that everything is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, okay? I do not condone any financial advice in this video. Shh. Now, I actually have a different approach and a different strategy when it comes to launching the coins and finding the narratives, okay? I find all my narratives and I launch my coins on launchmemes.io. It's the best launchpad for devs because when you make a coin here, your coin is going to go to Raydium, okay? It's going to migrate immediately. It's going to skip all the requirements that Pump.Fun requires, and it's just going to go to Raydium, reaching hundreds of people to potentially buy your coin. And that's why it's being highly gatekept, okay? You guys need to stop launching on Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is extremely competitive. Most of these coins go nowhere. No one buys them, right? But Raydium coins is a complete opposite. They actually pump so hard, and that's exactly why we launch coins on Raydium, bro. It's absolutely insane how much traction these coins are getting, okay? I use this launchpad for that reason. Now, here's exactly how to create a meme coin on this launchpad, okay? You have a couple strategies. You can create your own coin from scratch, just like any other launchpad. So, for example, on Pump.Fun, you can create your own coin, right? Brand new. It's the same exact concept here, right? Or you can use their free X tracker, and look, you can turn tweets into coins. If Trump, Elon Musk, someone big made a tweet, you could make a coin out of it, right? But look, my favorite strategy is actually this one, and that is copying trending coins. It's basically like vamping. Every single meme coin that you're seeing here are all going viral on Pump.Fun at this present moment. They're all getting hundreds of buyers, which means all these narratives are proven and they're all viral. So we're going to be copying one of these coins back to Raydium instead to get a bunch of buyers using that narrative. Let's do a live copy right now. So first of all, okay, I just did it. Make sure your phantom wallet is connected, like that you can cash out and, you know, interact with Solana. Now click on refresh and let's copy a coin, okay? Go for anything. All these narratives are proven, they're all good. go for one and try it out. I'm going to go for this one. I chose it randomly. Click on copy to Raydium right here. Ignore this wording. This is normal for all launchpads. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox here, confirm, and then the coin will be minted on Solana. Just wait a couple seconds, and boom, now it's on the Solana blockchain. As you guys can see here, that is the proof. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now look, here is where we create the liquidity pool. Like that, our coin can go to Raydium. That is the whole point. We want our coin to migrate right here, okay? Now look, follow along. For the amount of coins, click on 90%. Do that for every single launch, by the way. It's perfect. For the amount of soul pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 soul. This is the first buy for yourself. Like that, you can have supply. And guys, you are not going to lose this at the end when you cash out your profits, okay? At the end, well, this will come back to you. It does not last, bro. It's good. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin should be live. After the pop-up, bang, click on refresh, and you can see here our coin is officially live. Now people can see your coin on Raydium and actually buy in now. But look, you have your piano here, you have your stats. Let's go now see the chart, because it's important to see if our coin is doing well, right? I use Photon, for example. You can go on Axiom, Terminal, Nova, anywhere you want. And as you guys can see, it's already live and people are aping in. That's exactly what I'm talking about. This volume is coming from Raydium, guys, okay? Look at this, hundreds of buyers, well, you know, hundreds of dollars worth of buys. Now if you come back to launch memes and you click on refresh, you can see now we're up $260 in profits because people are aping in, guys. The volume is insane. It can still go down, but you know, the volume on Raydium is absolutely insane. You have full control. You decide when you want to cash out. Now I'm gonna let the coin pump for a bit. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out, bro. This is insane. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, our coin is pumping a lot. We're at the 50k market cap. Now look, before it goes down, let's cash out, okay? It has been like 4 minutes. Oh, it's pumping. Okay, come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and you can see here, boom, we're up $2.64 thousand, guys, in pure profits if we cash out right now. Click on the red button, the minus button, do 100% to remove every like penny here, remove liquidity. Oh my god, bro, it's wasting my time. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then we should be fully out, guys. It should be in our phantom wallet. Bang, we just cashed out. 3, 2, 1, and boom, 2.66k in my phantom wallet for educational purposes only. I showed you my entire strategy. Now it's up to you if you want to take action or stay on the sidelines. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. It's the best launchpad. It's all for educational purposes only, but just stay consistent if you are a dev.